Right then, so today what we're going to be doing is colouring this repair. So this is a system that someone had on for many months and had some hair loss, so we've had it re-haired. So as you can maybe see, I'm trying to show you, you can see a couple of different tones in it. Now that is where the old hair is still in the system, and then obviously they put all new hair through the system. So what you end up with is a slightly lighter edge where it's faded. So what we're going to do now, we're going to colour it. Now I already know the gentleman's colour. I'll try to be careful not to show you any names. Let me just quickly do this. So this is the sample that I've used. So we know what kind of colour it is. Now I'm going to use a slightly darker colour to be a bit quicker with it. Just because a gentleman does like his hair quite dark, wears it a bit longer. So what I'm going to do, put some conditioner down and just spread that all over, making sure that you cover all the lace, most importantly the lace, just because we don't want to stain it. If you stain it, especially on the front hairline, especially if you're wearing your hairline exposed, then obviously it can cause a few little issues in terms of you can see a black dot, or a dark dot should I say. So what I'm going to do, now that's all covered, maybe a little bit more on that hairline. I want to use very cheap conditioner for this, just because of the amount you sometimes have to use. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go mix the colour. So as I said, I'm going to use a slightly darker colour. I'm going to use a 4.1 on this. And I'm going to be more of an on and off colour. I'm going to do it very quickly and then get it off quick so it won't go too dark for him. But yeah, so what I'm going to do now, mix this up off camera, come back and I'll be painting it on. Right then, so I've mixed the colours, so 4.1 and a 20 volt. It's a 50-50 mix. So it gives you a nice cream texture. What we always do, same way we always do it, we always start on the edges. Getting as close to that base as you can, but without actually going on to the base. Most importantly, I'll be honest with you, you sometimes do get a little bit just on the edge here because you want to get it as close as you can. Not so much an issue if you get it on the poly, because you're never really going to see it because of where it is located on your head, being that it's underneath all your hair and it's right at the backs and the sides. But obviously as you get to this front section where the lace is, that is where you have to be especially careful, like so. So what we're aiming for is to get the colour as close to the original colour as possible. Because the longer hair is through the top, we won't actually have to put that much colour on, but I will try to get, there you go, sorry I had to move that a little bit then, but we will get it as good as we can. So now that's all the underneath done, nicely coated, what we're going to do, let's save one of our towels, use an old towel if you can, if you're doing this at home. Mop up all the excess colour, turn it round, and with the colour, literally just painting it on the top. Making sure we coat most of the top sections, like so. Now you've always got to make sure you leave a little bit, and it'll become clear in a minute as to why. Now I would sometimes wear gloves doing this if I was doing it at home, but because I'm doing it in here every day, I tend not to. So what I'm going to do is be very gentle, brushing that colour through. So as you can see, as I'm doing that, it almost dries out in areas. So like here, it becomes slightly drier where I didn't get as much colour on. So then all we do, yet again, is paste it through the long lengths. Making sure to cover as much of the hair as we can. Give it another brush through. And as you can see, it's covered a lot more now. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to wait for a few minutes before I wash that off, get it in the right colour, and then we'll wash it off the same way we always wash a hair system, through the lace to protect the longevity. But yeah, I'll come back once it's all ready. Right then, so all I'm going to do now is just quickly rubbing a little bit of hair off with a bit of cotton wool. See what the colour's like. I think that's going to be pretty much dark enough. So what we're going to do now, I'm just going to move the camera a little bit so you can see the basin. There we go. And what we're going to do, get electric soap. There we go. So now what I'm going to do is rinse the system the way we always do, from the underneath. Washing it through the system, getting off all that colour, like so. So being very gentle with it, I'm just giving it a little squeeze every now and again just to make sure we get all that colour off. I'm just going to use a little bit of shampoo. And then rinse it back through this way, and then what we're going to do, put loads of conditioner on it so it feels nice and soft again. And then what we'll be doing, drying it off in a towel. Well, I'll show you that actually before I go and do that conditioning bit, where we want to dry it off a little bit. So what we do, we get a towel. Hair system in the middle, and a good roll with a good squeeze. Like I said, always make sure you use old towels or paper towels. Never use a new one because you will stain them. As you can see, we do it often. So then what we're going to do now, we're going to dry that off and it'll be ready to go for the client. The client's due in a couple of weeks' time, so he'll be coming in to have this one fitted and it'll be ready for him, ready to go. Right then, so that is that system dried and coloured, ready for it to go. Now I'm trying to show you, it might be very hard to see, but if you look very closely just on this edge, you can still see the slight lightness, but that's because, like I said, we don't want to get it so close. But there you go, that is a system coloured, dried, ready to go. So next time he comes in, like I said, be ready to fit.